Hello friends, in this video we'll get the information about what is Chess credit card. A Chess credit card is a credit card issued by Chess Bank, JP Morgan Chase and Company. It's allow you to borrow money up to a credit limit to make purchase and pay later with flexible repayment option and valuable rewards such as cashback, travel points and exclusive perks. Key benefits of cash credit cards: rewards and cashback, travel benefits, introductory offers, purchase protections, and manage easily. In reward and cashback, earn points or cashback on every day purchase. Enjoy travel rewards, airport loan, access no foreign transaction fees on selected cards. Get welcome bonus on 0% APR on purchase or balance transfer. Fraud protection, extend warranty and purchase protections on eligible purchase. Manage easily. Type of Chase credit card. Type of Chase credit card. Travel cards. Chase Spire. Chase Spire Preferred or Chase Spire Reserve. Best for travel rewards, airport loan, access and premium travel benefits. Cashback rewards, Chess Freedom. Chess Freedom Unlimited, Chess Freedom Flex, Chess Freedom Rise, earn unlimited or category based cashback on your spending. Co-branded cards, partners cards with airlines, hotels, and other loyalty programs offering bonus points, perks, and exclusive benefits. Examples: United Explorer cards, Southwest Rapid Rewards card, World of Hat credit card, IHG1 reward premium card, and more. Business card, designed business. Purchase of credit card at glance. Chase Fair Preferred Travel and Dining Rewards. 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 in first 3 months. Annual fee $95 annual fee. Key points, key features: 2-in-1 travel and dining, no foreign transaction fees, transfer to travel partners. Cash fares reserve card. Premium travel, 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 in first 3 months. Annual fees is $550. Priority pass lounge access, travel credit up to $300 per year, 3-in-2 on travel and dining. Cash Freedom Unlimited, unlimited cashback, $200 bonus after you spend $500 in first 3 months. Annual fee is $0 and 1.5 unlimited cashback, no annual fee, intro 0% APR for 15 months. Chess Freedom Flex. Category bonus cashback, $2,000 bonus after you spend $500 in first 3 months, $0, 5%. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.